Tempting, isn't it? So let's make this delicious 15 minutes easy peasy breakfast or snacks recipe that is quite healthy, and of course it has a lot of variations. I'll share the variations within the recipe. All the ingredients are very easily and readily available in our normal Indian homes, and the best part is that this recipe can be multi-purposely used with lots of variations. Stay tuned for the entire recipe. Hey guys, I am Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. So let's begin this quick and time saver recipe. So first I'll take a bowl, and to this I'll be adding semolina or suji or rava 1 cup. I would prefer the fine version. If you have the regular one, you can just grind it in mixer grinder for 2 to 3 seconds and it will be done. And here I have taken 1 cup. To adjust the amount, I will take here 4 tablespoons of curd, or it will be around 1/4 cup of curd, and half a cup of water. So nicely first I'll mix this curd with semolina, because semolina will gradually absorb the water. I want a semi-thick consistency, so after giving it a nice mix, I'll cover it and leave it for around 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, I'll add few more ingredients. This semolina has absorbed the water and the curd that we had added. Again give it a mix, and to this I'll be adding chopped onions around 2 tablespoons, chopped capsicum around 2 tablespoons. You can add veggies according to your choice. I've added here some carrot that I have grated, and ginger half a teaspoon, and some green chili according to taste, some red chili flakes, salt, cumin seeds, and black pepper powder I'll add around half a teaspoon. If you are making for kids, you can alter the amount. Now everything I'll mix. All these veggies will add to the nutrition value of this recipe. So to adjust the consistency, I have added 1/4 cup of more water. Basically the total amount was around half a cup of water. And yes, I have avoided tomatoes because I feel it becomes mushy when we add it in toast. Again, it depends upon your choice. And here I have taken 1 slice of brown bread, and I'll evenly spread this mixture. You can always see the consistency. It should not be too thick or too thin. It's done. And one pro tip is that initially I will add this surface on the tawa. So let's prepare the tawa. I have used here a cast iron pan, some butter or oil as per your choice, and nicely I'll grease it. This step is very important so that we get a nice crisp toast. Add little bit more amount of oil, and as I said, the coated surface on the tawa first. So this will help to regulate the color and will help in binding of the suji. Press it slightly so that it spreads evenly. Add some more amount of oil, little bit amount of oil, so that it gets crispier, and the flame should be medium at this point. Initially heat the pan and then the flame should be medium. I have added some little more amount of oil on the other side, and now I'll just flip it. You can see as the tawa or the pan was nicely greased. It's a cast iron pan, so it does wonders to the toast, and it's perfectly crisp and golden. You can see the result. Now I'll just keep this bread or toast aside and reduce the flame so that I can toast other pieces simultaneously. It just takes 2 to 3 minutes on each side, and the crunch here, it says is all. It's perfectly toasted. And now just flip this and keep it aside. It's also perfectly done. And in the same pan, I'll keep the first toasted bread aside, and I'll add other pieces and also toast them to perfection. As I had said initially in my videos, I do a lot of variations for this recipe. This one is the basic to this. The first variation you can do is, before putting the semolina layer, you can add a layer of tomato ketchup or mustard sauce and then add the semolina layer. After toasting this bread, you can sprinkle some cheese, you can sprinkle some oregano, and if you want to make this recipe without onion garlic, you can also go for that option. Just discard the onions and you can add some more amount of veggies, sprinkle some chaat powder once it's ready. It will look tempting and taste heavenly. Another option is that you can also use some pizza sauce before spreading the semolina, and that will give a very similar flavor and texture to that of pizza with some cheese. So try the variations, you will love the flavors, and do let me know which version of this recipe you have liked the most. I'll wait for your comments. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Kumkum Jha. She writes, I love this recipe, but I'm here for English and definitely recipe 2. Love your voice, clear and sweet. Thank you so much Kumkum for such beautiful and such nice feedback. She has actually commented on the recipe of Matar ke chole, or that's gugni, dried white peas potato curry, one of the classic Indian favorites. So glad you loved my recipe, and thank you additional for your comment on my voice. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, this recipe is a must try if you have kiddos around or you are just in a mood to try something quick and easy. Do try and let me know how it turned out. If you have loved the video, do give a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow Su's Food Corner on Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.